welcome to my channel Taurus Utkarsh. And guys, today we'll discuss the problem of Google Meet. So some of the person are facing the Google Meet problem, means they are unable to join the classes and their camera is not able to detect themselves. So I'll discuss all this thing right now and I'll give the best solution of it. Believe me, this solution will not exist on YouTube. I tried so many videos on YouTube and I searched all many articles on the internet, but this is the best solution. So please be on the video. So guys, this is my Google Chrome browser. So I have my ID, Google Meet ID. So this is the Google Meet ID. So let's copy it and I will show you. See, if I'll paste here, so it is still loading. Okay, so this is the Google Meet. If you are seeing this first time, then this is the Google Meet where you can connect and you can meet to anybody. So see, my camera is starting, and on my laptop the screen, the flashlight is also enabled. So here, see, once camera is starting, and my mic is also working. That's why it is detecting the my mic. And here you can see, here I have allowed all my thing, but see here the camera is failed. I don't know why. So if you will see videos on the YouTube, there you will see, like, they will tell you you have to go to settings, and you can test your headphone, and you can see your camera here is failed. They will say that changes to 360 pixel, but the camera is still failed. Okay, and here you can see, here I am allow my all the things, camera and microphone, so there is any no problem for it. And here you can also see my camera is allowed here, but it is saying that camera is failed. So let's see about its setting. So for the setting, you have to click here and you can go to the settings. Okay, and after reaching the settings, you have to just type here camera. So here you can go to its side settings. So see, the side setting I have allowed my camera. So if you go to the camera, see, I have allowed my Google Meet, and if you click here, my camera is allowed. Everything is perfect, but still my camera is not loaded. Okay, uh, in on YouTube they will tell so many solution. Maybe it will work for you, but for me it is not working. Okay, so this is about Google Chrome browser. If you, I already installed my Google Chrome browser, but still it is not working. Okay, so let's go to this Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, here I will show you again. Same problem detect here. Let me cut from here. We are good to go. So here I am also pasting the same link. Okay, of Google Meet. Okay, this one. So let's see whether it is work in this or not. Okay, so okay, now it is still loading. So we have to check only for what our camera, because Meet means camera is important. So see, here it is saying that no camera found, but still it is trying to start my camera, and it has detected my okay audio and my video also, my camera also. Okay, so now it is starting. Okay, it is still taking the time to load my camera. Now see here, again the same problem, camera failed. I don't know why. setting is Setting is perfect, everything is perfect, but still it is not loading. Okay, here I also allow my each and everything, same for here. And you can also check into my settings of the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so before proceed it, let's also cut it. And before proceed to the solution, let me check my camera. You are thinking that maybe my camera is not working, but see, once you see here, okay, here we go, front facing camera. And see, Hello guys. So see, my camera is working here. So let's move to the solution part before wasting the time. So let me cut it. Okay, solution is simple. Okay, and one before going to a solution, I want to tell you that I also tried different webcam, means external device, which is also not working on it. Okay, so solution is very simple, and that is Firefox. You have to use Firefox. So let's see in Firefox it is working or not. So here we go. So see, my camera is starting. So let's see the camera is working or not. Okay, see, my camera is working here. So guys, this is the best solution. So don't waste your time to see the videos, to watch the videos on YouTube, how to fix the camera problem on Google Meet, uh, on the Google Chrome browser, and etc. So Firefox is the best, and many companies are also using it nowadays. So my suggestion is go with Firefox, and yeah, this is the best solution from my side. Okay, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share these videos for your friends if they are facing the same problem. Have a good day, take care, bye bye.
In the mud, in the mud,